How to create a blogging website on Odoo. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to create a blog on Odoo. The first thing you want to do once on odoo.com, you're going to tap on Start Now. It's free. After tapping on Start Now, it's free. From here, you're going to select Website. After selecting Website, you're going to tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, from there, you can fill in your credentials and you're going to give your website a name. So I'm going to be calling it Test Blog. So we'll type in Test Blog right there and we're going to tap on Start Now. After you have tapped on Start Now, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you're going to be prompted to verify your website. So you'll see the pending activation in the top right hand corner. All I want you to do is go onto your email address. Once on your email address, you're going to tap on Activate Odoo and you'll just tap on Activate right there. After you have tapped on Activate, you'll be redirected to this page. And this is where you'll be able to invite your colleagues if you want. But we could tap on Skip. After you have tapped on Skip, you're going to tap on Go to Test Blog. Once you have tapped on Test Blog right there, or the name that you have given your website, better yet, you will be redirected to the home page. Once on the home page, you're going to tap on the editor in the top left hand corner. So you're going to hover over the top left hand corner and you're going to see editor pop out and you're going to tap on editor. Then you're going to tap on edit in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on edit, you're going to see the option to drag building blocks right here and you can start editing your website. So for example's sake, this is our home page. We can create a stunning home page. To do this, we could add an image. For example's sake, to add an image, we can go over to the right hand column and we could drag and place an image. So you can see different image options, different layouts that you can choose from. So you can see it right there. You could select whichever one of these layouts. So there are some stunning options that you can actually select from. Let's say this one. We'll tap on that. Then you could start editing it. You could tap on the text and you could start editing the text. Tap on the image that is currently there, go over to the right hand column and you could select replace and you could replace the image and upload an image from your device. You can also make the image clickable if you want. So you'll tap right here and you could enter in the URL that you would like to redirect persons to and you can start editing your website. If it is a case that you would like to add more blocks, you'll tap on blocks. And then from there, if you would like to add columns or any other form of content style, you can do that. We could tap on text right here. Then you could choose the text layout that you would like to add. So you can see it right there. Let's say we would like to add this text option. You can tap on that. Then you could edit the text. And again, you could tap on blocks and you could tap on content. And you can see different options. You have intro, columns right here. Different columns that you can add. And you can scroll down. You could add social links and so on. Now, the section that you may have been waiting on, the blog section. So you're going to save the options that you have added thus far. After doing that, what I want you to do next is tap on site in the top left hand corner. At the moment, you can see that we don't have the blog option added. To add the blog option, you will tap on edit in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to see blogs and you're going to tap on install. Then tap on save install. After you have tapped on save install, you're going to give it a few seconds and you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all I want you to do now, you can create a new page. So we could create a new page by tapping on save right here. After you have tapped on save, you could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on site, then select blog post. After you have tapped on blog post, you can tap on new. And you can give your blog post a name, so I'll call it first. And we're just going to tap on save. Once it has been saved, you can start editing your blog post. You could tap here and you can start typing. Before doing that, we'll tap on edit in the top right hand corner. Then you could type out whatever you want. So I could type out hello. After typing out the text, you can tap on edit. You can tap on enter, better yet. After you have tapped on enter, you could select blocks. And again, you can select the type of blocks that you would like to add. So if you would like to add an image, you could select images. and you can select the image layout that you would like to use. Let me go back. You can select the image layout that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I want to use this option, or better yet this one. I'll tap on it and you can see that it has been added. And again, you can edit the text by selecting the text. You can edit the image by selecting the image, and going over to the right hand column, you can replace the image. All you'll need to do to add more information, you can tap on blocks. Then from there, you can add the different options. If you like to also add a button, you can add button by tapping on button right here. And you can see different options that you can quickly add to your website. Once you're finished creating your blog, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. And you can see that the blog has now been added to our navigation page. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Once you're finished creating your website, you'll simply toggle on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. Thanks for watching.